This is a pumpkin, and I need some variables to answer a few questions. What shall I do to this pumpkin? Blow it up?
Three, two, one. Yeah!
That seems like a fun idea, but sadly no, not a single explosion is required for this experiment. So then if no gunpowder is required, then what materials are required for this experiment? Well, first, once you've obtained your pumpkin, you need to get the mass. To do this, you first zero the scale, grab the pumpkin, and slam it onto the scale. This process will be used to get your first variable, mass, in grams, which will later be converted into newtons for other calculations. The next thing we need to do is chuck the pumpkin off some bleachers. This is the easy part. Now, why exactly does it have to be off bleachers? Can't we just throw it off something like a table, a chair, a bench, a cat, anything else? No, because we, meaning the teacher, wants to find the height of the bleachers. The throwing part is very simple. Drop the pumpkin, start the timer, then stop the timer once the pumpkin hits the ground. Now, what does this do for us? Other than a cool video of a pumpkin falling, we got our other necessary variable that we will use for every other calculation. Now we got ourselves all the variables, mass and time. Let's do some math. Now, what exactly do we need to find the height of the bleachers? Simple. We look at the equation x equals x initial plus v initial times t plus 1/2 at squared. Since we're defining the starting point to which we drop the pumpkin as the origin, our x initial would be equal to 0. With v, since we do not throw the pumpkin up or down, that would also make v equal to 0, leaving us with the last part of the equation, 1/2 at squared. Since 1/2 is a constant, we do not touch it. A would be replaced with acceleration due to gravity, in our case positive since we're trying to find a height. With finding time, all I did was look back at the video and saw how long it took to reach the bottom, which was about 88 frames, or in seconds, 1.47 seconds. If we put all that together, our total height would be 10.6 meters, or in imperial terms, around 35 feet.